Go get 'em.
Welcome everybody. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell y'all something right now. Tom, my gym boss is on vacation, so I'm up here doing my thing. And let me explain something to y'all. My name is Big G, a.k.a. Big Gremlin. Yeah. So I'm gonna explain to y'all what's going on with the sauna in the steam room. So let's get to it right now. The sauna. He likes the sauna. He told me to tell y'all he likes the sauna best. It's the dry feel that he likes about that sauna. And you know, a sauna can start off to 160 and go up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, man. That is crazy, like for real. And I don't know why he likes that, but me, I don't like it. But anyways, it opens up your pores. It opens up everything in your body, your muscles, everything. I mean, everything gets stuck going. It's off the chain. But I mean, you know what? I don't have no thing for the sauna because the sauna is too dry for me. So that's basically it about a sauna. It's not too much for it. Now, the steam room is a wet kind of feeling. That's me. I like mine to be a little moist. I like it moist. Yeah, it feels great. And see, let me tell you, a steam room starts off with 110 degrees to like 130 degrees Fahrenheit, man. And you're not dry. It's not like you're in the desert. So that's the best thing about that, man. You're not in the desert. You got a little wetness on you while you're getting dry, while your muscles is firming up and everything. It's the best thing, the best feeling ever. And that's what you guys need to understand about that. A sauna is dry and the steam room is wet. Both of them do the same exact freaking thing. People are like, what's best? It's whatever you prefer. They both open up your pores. They both make your muscles loosen up and everything. Do you like it very hot? Or do you like it a little moist, a little warm in it? Me, I don't want to deal with anything dealing with this, with the heat, dry heat. I just don't want to do it. I just can't do it. I'm done with that. I don't like it. Tell my gym boss you can have it. I don't want it. I don't need it. But the steam room is the best. It's off the chain. It's something that you can relax. But don't you forget, the sauna is hotter than anything. That sauna is hot. And don't you ever forget, he told me to also tell y'all it's on the outside that counts. And shout out to the cameraman that's holding the camera, man. And shout out to me, Big G, Gremlin in the building. Y'all gonna see more of me. Yeah!